Okay, we are going to try to make a torch uh, with a little bit of a, I guess most people who make Swedish torches out of a log uh, put a hole in the bottom for air to throw up. Now this chunk of wood has been cut down for a while, but it ain't nowhere near dry. So uh, this is just one. The one I made last night burned for 3 hours. Anyway, here goes. And there it's done. The cross cuts make for a hole for it to start out of, and that cut should meet up with those holes to provide some air. Now it'll burn out real quick. Now the one I made last night, I put 2 cuts all the way through, so I had 4 holes this size in vertical configuration, and I thought I'd try this way better. Now this is not dry wood, so to get it started, I poked a bunch of these frazzled shavings down in there, and dribbled some kerosene into it. And once I got it lit and it was burning, I shot a little bit of kerosene into the side, into the air vent hole, and It got took off, and in a little while I was boiling water in a 1.5 gallon pot on it. And then later I took a 4.5 gallon pot and put on it and got it to boiling to rinse the dishes in. So anyway, that's one. Now I got to make another one. See you on the creek. Bye.